Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Databricks SQL endpoints using token authentication. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate with Databricks SQL endpoints using token authentication, you first need to log into your Databricks account. Once logged in, go to the user settings by clicking on your profile icon in the upper right corner. From the user settings menu, select the Access Tokens tab. Next, click on the Generate New Token button to create a new authentication token. Provide a meaningful name for your token for future reference. Set an expiration date for the token based on your requirements. After completing these fields, click on the Generate button. Make sure to copy the token immediately, as you won't be able to view it again. Now that you have your token, open your preferred SQL client. In the connection settings, locate the field for entering your authentication method or credentials. For token authentication, you will typically select token or bearer token as the authentication method. In the token input field, paste the token you generated from Databricks. Next, enter the hostname for your Databricks SQL endpoint. Ensure that you include the correct port number if required. After filling in the required fields, click on the Connect or Test Connection button to verify the connection. If your token and endpoint are correct, you should see a successful connection message. Now that you're authenticated, you can start executing SQL queries against your Databricks SQL endpoint. Be sure to manage your tokens securely and revoke any that are no longer needed. That's it. You are now authenticated and ready to use Databricks SQL endpoints with token authentication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.